Greenpro, a subsidiary of Rishi FIBC and K-Tex Nonwovens, who are leading manufacturers of specialty packaging products and hygiene products over the past 16 years, catering to the food, pharma, and medical industry all over the globe. Today, the parent companies export to over 42 countries and 7 continents in the world, catering to the multinational companies such as Nestle, P&G, Kellogg's, Pfizer, J&J, Cargill, British Sugar, Fonterra, Arla, ADM, ExxonMobil, Dow Chemicals, and many more. After commencing the production in 2007, very quickly the company could establish a global footprint in the international market, especially in USA, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, and Japan, as a quality manufacturer with the in-depth product knowledge and practical experience of the promoters. After establishing the bulk packaging products, the parent companies jointly developed and begun commercial production of weed mats and ground covers in 2012. Over the past 10 years, the company has added over 40 products in their agricultural portfolio under the brand identity Greenpro. Greenpro is CE certified, ISO 9001, and ISO 14001 certified organization. The promoters Arvind Nopany, Joseph Francis, and Dilan Kanakia have a combined experience of 108 years in the polymer industry and focuses on developing innovative products and solutions for the customers. With a strong foothold in the hygiene industry, the company already had more than the necessary infrastructure to manufacture non-woven crop covers since 2007. The company had installed 3-beam and 5-beam German-made Reifenhauser lines to manufacture the crop covers and landscaping fabrics. After the company began manufacturing weed mats in 2012, the quality was well appreciated by the American and European market. The market demanded for high-quality monofilament nettings. By 2015, Greenpro had successfully developed the anti-insect nets, hail nets, shade nets, and various other protection screens and technical textiles used in the agricultural industry. With high-precision monofilament extrusion lines and the latest Swiss-made P7300 HP looms, Greenpro is able to provide the best quality of nettings world over. By the year 2017, the company had set on a mission to develop superior quality agricultural film and provide it to the growers at affordable prices. The company installed the first wide-width 7-layer plant in Asia from Bandera, Italy. This investment of over $12 million enabled the company to produce various agricultural films, such as greenhouse covers, silo bags, silage or bunker covers, geomembranes, mulching film, TIF films, and various other specialty films used in the agricultural and horticultural industry. By the year 2022, the company set to add another 7-layer Bandera, which would be capable to make agriculture covers up to 20 meters or 65 feet. Greenpro now has 5 blown film extrusion lines with a capacity of 30,000 metric tons per annum. In 2022, Greenpro invested another $30 million to establish a 300,000 square foot, completely air-conditioned facility to expand the capacity of production for the weed mats and monofilament nets to service the global market. Greenpro has invested over $1 million to set up an excellent quality control laboratory. Most of the laboratory equipments are imported from USA and Germany. All aspects which are critical to the performance of the product for its mechanical and physical properties, such as tensile, elongation, dart impact tests, air permeability, burst strength, are conducted round the clock on every single roll to ensure and verify consistency during the production run. The laboratory is capable to also test the optical and thermal properties, such as transmission in the UV or PAR region, diffusion, clarity, along with thermal properties of the covers. UV degradation tests are performed using harsh UVA and UVB lamps against the covers and fabrics to ensure the product will outlive its service life. The company is also able to test other properties of the products in-house, such as ventilation, shading, anti-drip performance, to ensure all the properties are verified to meet and exceed the customer requirements before each and every dispatch. Greenpro has also built the capability to produce retail and customized products. With the in-house machinery to sew panels together automatically, or weld to maximize the width of the product as per customer requirements. Additional features such as reinforced edges, grommets, or ropes could also be added to the product. Skilled personnel produce finished retail packs which are further sold to the hardware or garden shops. The product carefully passes through a series of light tables to ensure thorough visual inspection for identifying and eliminating even the slightest nonconformities. All the products are linked with a traceability code to track the product to the raw material used in them. Each and every roll is perfectly wound and palletized with a high level of stability to resist any possibility of damage during transit or handling. This attention to detail in product and packaging has helped the company to gain the confidence of its customers and shows that the company will go above and beyond to service its clients worldwide. Greenpro's core strength lies in their in-depth technical knowledge and has become the only company in the world which can manufacture all the products required for the greenhouse industry under one roof. Greenpro believes in constantly investing time, money, and energy for making new products according to the requirement of market, and always wants to be the leader in developing new products. The company could increase its turnover from $1 million in the first year of its operation to $120 million turnover in the last year within 15 years. Operational excellence is the major point of focus at the company and has been able to continuously improve through process improvement initiatives, investment in the new technologies, and automation. Sustainability is the main focus of the company. Ever since Greenpro has started its operations, it has commenced recycling the entire waste generated during the process of manufacturing and sold to those who were using virgin material. Further, in the year 2012, the parent companies invested in the solar power, even though the payback period was over 10 years, in order to promote green energy. Company is constantly increasing green energy on a year-to-year basis, and today, company has an installed capacity of 15 megawatt power from solar and wind put together, which is contributing 60% of the total power requirements of the company. Company is targeting for carbon neutral status by the year 2030. The company chose well-qualified professionals and manage a workforce of more than 5,000 employees, which includes 200-plus cross-trained engineers over several departments. The company focuses on development of skill of the employees to help them achieve their career goals by providing internal and external training facilities. On the social front, the company has adopted a nearby village and a school and provide economic assistance for the welfare and education of children. The company has constructed 10 houses for the poor who lost their homes during the most devastating flood India has ever witnessed in the year 2018. Taking care of the society we live in has always been the priority of Greenpro. Greenpro has cultivated core values of integrity, collaboration, care for employees, ownership, excellence, and customer focus that ensures each employee works towards the same goal. In the times to come, Greenpro is all set to increase its global reach and intends to remain a reliable supplier of choice.